Today you want to be aware of the words that you speak and the power of the words that you speak. 13 is always reminding us of that. So they can create this ultimate challenge or ultimate blessing. And the 3 is our path number. So we want to have joy. We want to have lightness. We want to have this positive impact on ourselves and on all those around us. So keep it light and keep it step by step, and don't make too big of a promise, because that will bring tension to you. So better promise a little less and over deliver than feeling all the stress and you feel like I promised that, but I don't know how to do it. I don't have the skills, or I was just too enthusiastic. So that's, and I just said yes because it sounds so nice, and I wanted to please that other person. I wanted to help that other person. So take some time, and the 4 is saying do it step by step by step, and the 7 is saying before you say yes, take a little time to process it, to look at all the different sides, to not only make a decision from your heart and your enthusiasm, but think about it. Ask questions. And the 8 and the 10, they say, okay, where do you bring your energy? And how value yourself? And where, how do you lead yourself? This is the 10 and the energy, the 8. So everything together this day is saying, give things to me in a plan. Let me think about it a little bit. I'm very enthusiastic about your idea or my own ideas, but where do they fit in the plan, my plan, in the bigger plan? How much energy does it cost me? How much energy is it giving me? All these questions are very good to ask before. And can I focus on this? Can my nervous system deal with this? Is it something extra, and what is going off my plate? Because we don't want that heaviness on our shoulders. So if anything new comes, it should take something else from you, that you don't feel like heavy. No, it should be positive, light, and joyful. So I hope that helps you to make the decisions that are aligned with you, and it gives you some time to think. It reminds you of that, and of course that enthusiasm is so beautiful. It's a powerful energy, but it's a real thought through enthusiasm with a plan that's even give you more base. So remind that, and it will give you also that joy, in maybe even more joy. So hope it helps, and looking forward being with you again tomorrow. If you do like this forecast, subscribe and like and join my Substack, Satkirtanji at substack.com, as a free or paid subscriber. Thank you very much. Sat now.